Hello. So I welcome you guys to this short and crisp video on setting up OBS for YouTube live streaming. Now, I'm assuming that most of you folks are new to the world of streaming and new to the world of OBS as well. And you'd be thinking, what exactly is OBS and why would I need this to start streaming on YouTube? Well, OBS is the one-stop solution if you'd want to stream on YouTube. So if you have already installed OBS onto your system, now I'll show you how to set this up. Now, once you install OBS onto your system and once you load OBS, this is how it'll look like. And on the left side, bottom left, you will see this small screen over here where you have all of these different scenes. So your first task would be to set up a scene. So you'd have to start off by clicking on this plus symbol. Now, after you do that, just give a random scene name. So I'll just call this as new scene and then I'll hit on OK. Now I've created this new scene, and once this is set, I'd have to go ahead and add three things which are basically essential. One would be my input capture, which would be input audio, and then we'll have the screen capture, and then we'll have the video capture if it's necessary. So I'll start off by adding the audio. So here, when you click on the plus symbol, you'll have all of these different options. Now, out of these, start off by selecting audio input capture, select on create new. And if you have a mic over here, select that particular mic and then hit on OK. And here you would see that you have successfully added your audio input capture. Now, after this, you would have to capture something on the screen. And for that purpose, again, click on the plus symbol and then you will have the display capture. So select the display capture again, create a new, click on OK. And here you would see that you have this display capture. Again, click on OK. Now, I'll just drag this and set this properly. So now you would see that I have properly set my display capture as well. And after this, if you'd have to show your face as well onto the screen, then again, hit the plus icon and then you will have the video capture device. So select this, select video capture device, click on OK. And now you would see that nothing is displayed over here because I'm actually recording this video through Zoom and I have only one camera. And that camera is being used for Zoom. So now, if you actually have a camera, you can just select integrated camera over here, click on OK, and your video camera would also be set up. So you have successfully set up your audio, your display capture, and also your video. Now, after this, if you'd have to start streaming, so here you see that you have the start streaming option. But before that, go to settings. And once you go to settings, you have the stream option over here. And over here, you would see that you have the different services. So you can stream on Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, Restream, or any of these different platforms. So if you want to stream on YouTube, just select this one, which is YouTube RTMP. Also here on the server, it'll be primary YouTube ingest server. Now, when you go to YouTube, whenever you start a live stream, you'll get a stream key. Now, I cannot show you my stream key over here, but then again, you'd have to copy a stream key from your YouTube channel and paste it over here. Now, once you paste your stream key, click on OK, and then finally you can hit on start streaming and you'll be live on your YouTube channel. So guys, it is very simple to start streaming with OBS. Thank you very much.